Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to connect your Facebook advertising account to your Instagram so that you can use the same ad account for both your Facebook or Instagram ads. So to do that, first of all, you need to log into your Facebook. When you log into your Facebook, go to the ad manager. So you open this one on a new tab. So I've just logged into the ad manager here. Then from here, when you come here, you come and click on all tools, and then you go to your business settings. So when you click on business settings, it brings you to this particular screen where yeah, it will bring you to something like what you see here, or it may bring you to the users level. Yeah, so you'll be brought to this place. Then when you come here, scroll down and go to Instagram, and then go to add account, and then click on this check mark, and then click on claim Instagram account. It will take you to Instagram and ask you to log in as. So if you didn't log into an Instagram account, it will ask you to log in. So you put your login details, the username and the password. If you had already logged in, it will just ask you to continue. So I logged in earlier, so I'm just continuing. Now it is asking me to create a business account. It is actually I have to switch to a business account because the account is a personal account. So I'm switching to business account. Then I'll click on next. The creator account is those that want to create content, but this one is typically business, so business account. So click on next. So they are asking me to select the category. I've selected it, and then click on done. So it says switch. um it says your request for access is pending. So let me just log into the Instagram. I'll come back and refresh here. So it is supposed to add me automatically, but they are saying they are requesting, waiting for a request. So I'll just come back to the Instagram, and then go to the, so for example, if you come back to the Instagram, and then you see something like what is here, click on your profile picture here, and then you click on profile here, then you go to the settings, then you go to settings and privacy. From there, click on see more in account center. From there, it brings you to the profiles. So I'm connecting the Facebook account, so continue. So it is supposed to so they have sent a code to the WhatsApp for me to connect. In fact, the number they are sending the code to, there's not even a WhatsApp number, but they are saying they are sending a WhatsApp message. Okay, so so I'll try here. So here you see they claim here that login needed. So let me just try again, because it's like it has been added, but the authentication is not successful. So I'm just re-logging in, then to authenticate the process. So the login has been successful now. So what I have to do is, you see, this account, this business portfolio, that is an ad account. And I forgot, let me add that if you don't have a business portfolio, earlier on when I said that when you come here, you click on the business tools, business settings. When you click on the business settings and you don't have a business portfolio, they'll just ask you to put your business name, then the first your first and last name in addition to your business name and your business email, and then you create it. Now when you come here, so for those of you who don't have ad account, you will have to come here and then click on add ad account and create. But I already have an ad account, so this is the ad account I have. So I want to just connect the ad account to the Instagram account so that I can use this ad account for both my Facebook and Instagram ads. So you come to the ad account, the Instagram account, and click on connect assets, and then click on other business assets, then select the ad account you want. So this is the ad account, then click on add. So you see it has been added, then you click on done. Then once that has been added successfully, if you come back to the ad account, you will see under connected asset that the ad account, okay, it's like the Instagram is not showing, so I will just but it's supposed to show. So let me refresh it and let's see. Okay, it's still not showing. Let me come back to the Instagram account, connected assets. Okay, so here it's showing, so it means that it is connected. If you see that it says disconnect, it means it has been connected. Okay, so we now come back to Instagram and go to the profile, then try to post something. I tried to boost a post, so let me just, let me refresh it. So I'm clicking on boost post. So now it will say choose you see which with a Facebook account, without a Facebook account. So we choose with a Facebook account and click on continue. Now we log into the Facebook, then continue. Now it says review, so I'm now going to choose, I don't want to use the default ad account, so I will click on change. This is the ad account I want to use, so I'll click on done, then I'll click on continue. Oh, it seems it didn't change successfully. I will still change it, so it didn't change successfully, so I'm just changing it. So it is using the default ad account, the personal ad account. I want to use this home of quality ad account too. Very good. So you see here, it now says that home of quality ad account 2 will be used. So I'll click on continue. So as you see now, the right ad account has been selected. So now I can now proceed to set up an audience and then choose the budget and all of that, and then boost my ad campaign. So now I'm using one ad account. So whether I'm running the advert on Facebook, so you see, let me just show you. So now I'm using this ad both for my Facebook ad and the Instagram ads, and it has been connected successfully. So let me just show you. So this is the Facebook ad account, the Facebook advert. Then when I'm done with the Instagram, it will also show here. So if you look at it now, with one ad account, I'm running the advert on all the two platforms. Now, if you follow this process and you have any problem doing it, please don't hesitate to follow the WhatsApp or the Telegram link in the description of this video to contact us. We're available to help, and we will help you make sure that your business is back on track and giving you good results. We charge very affordable prices to do that. Remember to also subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.